What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, hi, my name's Cecilia. I'm the author. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're new to my channel and you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, you may not know that I'm the author of Grandma's Magic Blanket, which is now launched, so you can buy it on Amazon. So thank you all for your support and your love, and I hope you buy my book and I hope you like it. And don't forget to leave a review on Amazon because I really appreciate those reviews. So today's video, we're going to wrap up the whole book process with a final little review of how things went and what you need to do if you're a beginner and you want to do your own children's book. Mind you, this is for children's book making because Grandma's Magic Blanket is a kid's book and I'm very happy of that. So I did the whole process where I wanted to create a book and I wrote all my content out. I made pictures, I hired an illustrator, and then from there I decided whether I wanted to be self-published, company published, or traditionally published. I went with the company first, and then the prices got way too high and I couldn't afford it and I didn't like what they were going to sell my book as. So I stopped with the company and I went to self-publishing through Amazon, and that was my best decision. Self-publishing through Amazon does take a little bit of getting used to the program they use, but it is easier, it's cheaper, it's completely free, and it's just a better quality for your book. In general, I would say go self-publishing if this is your first time doing a children's book, unless you're really lucky and you do traditionally published and you get someone right away who's interested in your book. Self-publishing I would do all over again. Okay, so you've decided that you want to go self-publishing. Good job, great for you. I'm very proud and excited for your book. So what you want to do from there is do some research, find out what age group your book is going to be for, find out what type of wording you need and how many words you need in your book, and then from there go to Amazon, go publish your book on Amazon, get your author copies, very, very important to check the quality of your book, and then spread it as much as you can on marketing, on all your platforms, your YouTube, your Instagram, your Facebook. Create a Facebook group and all that jazz, and let your book go through the world and create happiness for people all around. When I decided that I wanted to publish my book through Amazon and I got it all uploaded on Amazon, from there I was like, how do I get the word out about my book? I mean, I want more than just family and friends to get my book. I want tons of people all around the world to get my book. So I was able to go online on YouTube specifically, and I found a bunch of videos of other authors who took their book and did something called a launch party, which I had no idea what it was about until I did my research. A launch party is basically when you take your book and you decide that you want to do special little things for your book to get the word out. You can do this through Facebook, creating a Facebook group with your book and information about your book and where people can buy it, when it's going to be available for ebook and Amazon paperback, where else they can get your book, what they can do to support your book, and things like that. So Facebook group is definitely a great idea. I have my own Facebook group of Grandma's Magic Blanket, and yes, you can join. It's amazing. And you can do things through Instagram of posting on your book and updating people where it's at and what you're doing with it. Do it on Instagram. If you have Twitter, do on every platform you have available. Go ahead, copy your link of your book from Amazon and post it around. Don't be throwing it in people's faces. Be polite about it and just say, I'm an author, I have a book that came out, would you guys be willing to support my book, or just check it out if you're interested. My book is blah yada yada for this age group. Check it out. It's a great book. Be proud of your book, so don't be afraid of posting it around. It's okay. Just don't overdo it with demanding people to do things for you. Don't expect that. Just be hoping and be willing to throw yourself out there on people's kindness, and just be like, if you're willing to share my book, please do. I appreciate it, and thank you so much for your support. When I decided, after doing all the research for how to launch my book onto Amazon and then Facebook groups and Instagram and all that jazz, I decided to do something called a book launch, and I went around where I live and I asked local stores if I could do a launch party there, and basically I got really good responses, and they said that, specifically one store said that I could actually do a book signing, which I've never done, and I was completely like, a book signing? Okay, let's go for it. I don't know what that is exactly, but let's go. So book signing is basically where you buy a bunch of books yourself, and then you go to a store that allows you to during a certain time period, and you set up a little table and you put all your books on the table, and people can buy your book from you, and when they buy your book you sign it for them, send them a special message, and they'll get your book. Now what I'm doing is I am set up at a store for a Saturday for 3 hours that I'm going to buy a bunch of my books, set them up on a table, and people can come, and I'm going to post it all over Facebook and Instagram that people can come, buy my book, get it signed, and I'm doing a special thing where I'm doing a blanket giveaway. Something to give away for your first book launch, I believe, is the best decision you can make besides doing Facebook paid ads and Instagram paid ads. People love free stuff. They'll do not anything for free stuff, but they'll travel extra miles just for the chance at something free. So if you can do something free for your book launch party, that's a great idea. Go for it. Me and my mom got together and we bought material, and because my book is about a magic blanket, we actually got together and made a blanket to give away as a prize for someone who buys my book. So all they have to do is buy the book, and then I enter them into the contest, and at the end of my book signing I'm going to draw a name and that person gets the blanket. So it's a very exciting, nice way to give back to people who support me and who actually really like my book. And it's also a way to just be like, I'm excited about my book, and I hope you're excited about my book, and thank you for being excited, so here's a blanket. So it's just another way to get people excited about your first book. So definitely take that first leap. If you can do anything for free as a giveaway, do it. It may be a little scary and daunting, but do it anyway. You'll figure it out, and you'll be able to have a great successful book signing and book giveaway. So basically, my marketing and launching tips for you guys, if you're a first-time author, would be to utilize your launch platforms, which would be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, anything and everything you have on your phone as an app that you can socialize with people. Use it. Put your book information in there, put your Amazon link in there, and ask people to share it. Do a giveaway, because people love free stuff, and it's always nice to give back something you can give to get people excited about your book. So do those tips and let me know how it works, because I want to hear from you guys. So thank you again for watching this video, and if you don't know, if I haven't spread it around enough, I am the first-time author of my first book called Grandma's Magic Blanket. I'm very excited about this book, and it means a lot to me, and I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys get a chance to buy it on Amazon, which is now for $10, or you can buy it on ebook for $2. And leave a review on Amazon when you buy it. Let me know what you think of it. I'm very excited to bring you my first book. My first book. So that's all I got for you guys today. Again, thank you for watching my channel. I have, I think, 13 subscribers now. Good job, and thank you all for supporting me. I really appreciate it. Feel free to spread this channel wherever you want to and tell anyone to join. I'd be happy with that. Have a great day, everybody, and again, buy my book if you can. Be excited for the giveaway on Saturday. See you all later. Bye, everybody. Author out.